Hello everyone, my name is Lavanya Sreedhar. Today I am going to explain about the analysis of hotel aggregator listings using Power BI. So the project aim is to analyze the dataset of the hotel aggregator listing. Through Power BI, it contains attributes of listings, host, reviews, and availability, and also pricing, rooms, bathrooms, and everything contains or related to the hotel. And also visualizing and finding out the trends and also finding out the key values and everything. So introduction to hotel aggregator listings, it is a comprehensive data. So because listing combine data from multiple sources to provide the comprehensive view of the hotel market, and also it is a competitive analysis and informed decision making because it is using the attributes like price, amenities, and customer reviews in the competitive analysis, and also in the decision making. It helps to optimize the strategies or it better for their customers for the customers in the hotel. Dataset description in the hotel aggregator dataset. It is a CSV file. It contains a lot of columns and rows. It more than 2 lakhs rows in it. So it contains ID, listing URL, scrape ID, last rate, source, name, description, neighborhood, picture, URL, host ID. So here I take like the most needed columns to find out relations and find out the visualization and correlations and everything. Data modeling and transformation. For the data modeling, I carefully established the relationship between hotel listings, customer reviews, pricing, and other relevant information. Also, in the data transformation, I utilize the clean, normalized, and enriched data through Power BI. There is a lot of options to transform our data through the Power BI app and fact dimension structure. So it is allowing the efficient querying, reporting, and key performance indicators. But here I'm not using any key performance indicators. I have used the data modeling and data transformations. Visualizations and dashboards. Here it is a geographical insights of a neighborhood and like a neighborhood and popular host locations. So here I am visualizing the distribution of listings on a map. I use the field map and normal map to identify the popular neighborhoods, and also I explore the geographic concentration of listing and house locations. And the second one is pricing and availability analysis. So in the availability analysis, I analyze the pricing trends based on the property types, room types, and accommodation capacity, and also investigated the availability of listings over time and identify the peak periods. So the third one is host performance. Here I evaluated the host characteristics and including the superhost status, response time, and verification methods, and also explore the correlation between host attributes and listing performance here in a table. So the fourth one is review scores and guest satisfaction. So here I examine the review scores and their impact on overall listing performance, and we got it like the visual representation of here, and also identified the areas for improvement based on a specific review categories. So the last and final one is property type and room analysis. So analyze the distribution of property types and room types, and you can see that in the visual representation. And also I explore the trends in the popularity of specific accommodation setup. So this is my visualizations and dashboards. Insights and reporting. So I listed out all the insights and reporting in 5 points. So first one is geographical insight. So in terms of hosting listing count, the central business district is the most popular is Melbourne in Australia. So second one is pricing and availability analysis. Based on pricing and the number of listing over time, it displays price trends for various property kinds, room types, and sleeping capacity. So the third one is host performance. It gives the information of host performance metrics such as host status, host verification methods, and host response time. By looking at the data, one may understand the methods used the host for verification, and the proportion of superhosts. So the fourth one is review scores and the satisfaction. So it displays the relationship between the review score value and the number of hosts, the total number of listing categorized by year, and rating of review scores for various property and room kinds, and the precision of the shared room listing scores, determining the level of the satisfaction, trends in review ratings over time, and how various property time and types and room types impact visitors' experiences are all made easier with the use of the data. So the fifth one is property type and room analysis. It illustrates the variety of lodging options by listing the number of different property and room kinds. So here is my recommendations. So the first one is booking and income can be increased by optimizing availability depending on demand. And the second one, in price and availability strategy, take seasonality into account. And the third one is the only sort that is reasonably priced is the shared room type. And the fourth one is the pricing and accommodation capacity are not correlated in any way. So that's it. Thank you all.